I do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo if you're new here. I'm an American who lives in Jamaica, and today we're going to be going on a trip to the Kingston Night Market. It's me and Illy and Aaron's very first time going. We saw it on Instagram, so we thought it would be a cool thing to like film the experience for you guys. Also, I haven't filmed a video in a really long time, which I have an explanation for. As you can see like behind me, my room is completely different because we moved to a different house. My mom's pregnant and things like that. She's gonna give birth really soon. So there's just a lot of stuff that's been going on, but I'm gonna pick up my videos again. I have another video for you guys coming really soon. I went to Rebel Fest in January, which is a video that I have for you guys. I filmed it, I just haven't edited it yet. But I thought this would be a good video to post. So yeah, you guys stay tuned and let me know what you think. Here is my outfit of the day. It's very casual. I ended up changing my shirt just because I wanted to. This one's a little bit more comfortable, so yeah. so as you can see, I'm all home now. The event was pretty good. It was pretty small though, but it was still a good time. So if you guys are looking for something to do on a Tuesday night, I definitely recommend the Kingston Night Market. But go there around about like 8 o'clock, because they weren't really set up at 5 when they started. And so we were there for about like 2 hours before things really started picking up. So I'd recommend going there at like 8 p.m. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and let me know what you thought, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.